Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a speed test between Vivo X21 and the OnePlus 6. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Now Vivo X21 sports a Snapdragon 660 processor with Adreno 512 GPU, while the OnePlus 6 sports a Snapdragon 845 processor with Adreno 630 GPU. These are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Purely based on raw performance, OnePlus 6 is way better, so let's see how the X21 fares against the OnePlus 6. Now for the speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. After that, I'll be doing the memory management test, and after that's finished, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones once again as a speed test so you can see which phone opens the games faster. Now with that said, let's get on with the first speed test. In the speed test, there wasn't a huge difference between both the phones, but for some applications, OnePlus 6 was noticeably faster. So for the speed test, OnePlus 6 is the winner. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Memory management is good on both phones, but I'll pick OnePlus 6 as the winner as it was noticeably faster and more responsive while retrieving apps from memory. Now for the last test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens these games faster. Now for the games, OnePlus 6 is definitely way faster than Vivo X21. So guys, in the speed test and the memory management round, OnePlus 6 is simply the winner. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and the memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description, it really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.